The nation's Midwest is pounded by some of the most severe weather of the winter. Traffic is stopped, schools closed, and cities brought to a standstill. 15 inches of snow fell here in Canton, Minnesota, where zero temperatures put the whole town into a mid-season deep freeze. 10 deaths were traced to the storms as they swept across Michigan, Wisconsin, Illinois, South Dakota, and Iowa. 16 inches of snow in less than 24 hours isolated parts of upper Michigan. The struggle to get back to normal follows the blizzards. Cold warnings continued in 17 states as Old Man Winter threw a knockout punch at America's midsection.